Now that you have 2/3 of the Rubik's Cube solved, it's on to the last layer. For the last layer, you'll get different cases, such as this minus sign, or this cross, or this L, or well, I can't show you right now, but the last case is just this dot alone without these blue edge pieces. But your goal is to get the cross. So we'll go back to the subtraction sign. Now to get the cross, you gotta do this algorithm with some, well, I don't know what your face side is, but for me it's white right now. You gotta do this algorithm to get the cross. It is F R U R inverted, U inverted, F inverted, and that gives you the cross. You might have to do that multiple times. Like, it depends on what case you get. Like, the dot alone will make you do that algorithm about 2 times. Well, no, that dot alone, if you do the algorithm I just showed you, it'll bring you to this L. And then from there, you gotta do the algorithm about 2 more times to get the cross. So, now that you have the cross, you gotta get these edge pieces of the cross to match up with the corresponding centerpiece. So, you'll either have 2 matching ones already, like this one, white, white, red, red, but these don't match. Or you can have a case where one matches here, and the opposite side over here will match. But in this case, you have 2 adjacent edge pieces, or sides, matching. So, to rearrange these 2, you gotta turn this cube around so one side is to the right of you and one side is to the back of you. So, like, you gotta turn this over here so this matched side is facing to the right of you and this matched side is facing away from you. And so these 2 are facing to the front and left, and you do this algorithm. It is R U R inverted, U R U U R inverted, U. With that algorithm, it shifts these edge pieces around. So now you have the cross, and they're in the right spots.